We divide 579 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 9 and it is 19. 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 579 divided by 2 is 289.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.